What's up, vlog?
Are you ready, Ziggy? Happy birthday to you. He's huge.
That's my favorite.
What's up, y'all? It's the next day, Saturday. We're on our way out to do a lot of activities today. Wanted to show you guys my outfit. I have on, this is my husband's jean shirt, Apple Watch. I got this dress from Pretty Little Thing with ankle bracelet, sandals, necklace. Comfortable. This is the purse that I decided to go with today. I think it accents my outfit really good. Come here, little Z, let's show them your outfit.
Well, this is an African dress that we got from the mall. I think it's very cute.
Show them your pockets.
And then this actually has pockets, which I'm very glad.
What's up, y'all? We made it out to the market. We're out here. If you've seen the last vlog when we were out here at the market, I ordered an apron. The apron is ready for pickup. So we're out here as one of our festivities. We're gonna go pick up the apron and we'll show you guys the market again. He's huge.
That's my favorite.
Alright guys, so we picked up my apron. We have walked the market a few times. We're on our way up out of here, going to our next location.
Sweet barbecue. Regular buffalo.
What's up, y'all? So we ate our food. Buffalo Wild Wings was very good. Our drink, well, my drink was good. I had a strawberry margarita. And now we're about to go walk down into Wet n Willie's to try to see if we can get us a slushie. What do you think?
Where's the cone?
A blueberry version slushie.
And I think it's very good.
Call a cab. And this is a strawberry. And I believe this has rum. I think she said yours got tequila or what? Everclear.
What?
That's when she said Everclear. I'm like, oh yeah, that's your speed.
I heard you say it. I thought it was because it was a bunch of shit in it.
No.
Like, yeah, that's your speed. Nigga. Get the fuck out.
No. Alright y'all, we're leaving Wet and Willie's. I don't know why you want to say Wet and Wild. It's Wet and Willie's. Got our drink. Little Z had a chicken tender basket even though we just left Buffalo Wild Wings. We're on our way back to the crib, have Ziggy's little birthday party, and then we're gonna come back out later. We'll catch y'all when we get back in the... Are you ready, Ziggy? Happy birthday to you. Happy
Ziggy.
birthday to you.
Get it, boy.
Happy birthday to Ziggy. Happy birthday to you. It's now 8:10. We're about to get it started. We're about 4 or 5 shots in that thing.
2 shots of vodka.
About to go out, about to have a good time, hang out with my husband, no children involved. We're about to have a little date night. And we will see y'all later. Ziggy's birthday party was very successful. He loved it.
I'ma give him something they can feel. Feeling about this, I don't give a fuck. Just a little man don't make it real. Just a little man don't make it real.
So we made it out here, y'all. We out here about to enjoy this nightlife. We don't get that jank too often, so we're gonna really enjoy ourselves tonight. The last time we went out together without no kiddos was we were in Washington, D.C. It was my hiatus from vlogging, so I didn't even vlog, but I had to bring y'all here tonight with us so y'all can have some fun right with us. So we just parked the car. This is what we're driving right now. All black Georgia.
Pull up in that black Challenger. GRWM, tour around Canada.
It's a really good ride. This is what we're riding in for the weekend.
Around here, especially among the staff.
Okay.
It's Slane. It's an Irish whiskey. It's really smooth.
Okay.
So when the live show starts, where can we see it?
So there are 2 other rooms about this size that you haven't seen yet. Oh, thank goodness! Are you working tonight? Oh, yay!
Yeah.
I'm not alone, but I thought it was just gonna be the 2 of us.
So here I have some straight whiskey that's very strong. And then you got, what you got again? I don't know what he got, but he got some shots or something with a Miller Lite. Yeah.
In this order. So what the fuck are you doing at a goddamn bar? I hope you're all drunk and I hope you're all having fun and I love you.
Man.
Yeah.
And that's what they do, man.
Yeah.
It's cold as shit outside.
All right, y'all. So we just got out of our first destination. We had a blast. It's nothing like having a good time. It doesn't matter what type of music it is, as long as the energy is positive. And we had a really good time. So we're about to go to our next stop. We got our wristbands because we are able to come back after. You can leave and you can come back as long as you got your wristband. You take it off, you can't come back in. So we paid a cover charge. We can leave and come back. We're about to go to our second bar, get some food, and we'll check in with y'all once we get there.
was a chicken buffalo tacos with lettuce, cheese, and yellow rice. And then I got a burger, and they're gonna bring my fries because they brought me yellow rice, and he has the extra. And then this drink, I got a red sangria, and you still order your drink, though?
It's straight back there from the left.
All right, y'all, so we finished that restaurant. We got our food, we got our drinks to go. We couldn't finish them. Whew.
And
But we're about to put our bags up into the car and go to the, what you can count Wet Willie's. Like the 4th spot.
Yeah, we went all out tonight.
We went all out tonight. Today, period. Because we went to Buffalo Wild Wings, too. And catch y'all once we drop this stuff off in the car. All right, guys, we're back out here. We got our cups, put our food up. And so what we were just talking about is it's always about catching a vibe. No matter if they green, blue, yellow, what type of music it is, rock, R&B, rap. You gotta be able to vibe with other cultures and just have fun. Is that right, Zah?
That's right.
That's right. So we're back out here walking, trying to see where the next vibe is at. You can get in here right here.
Like 3 stops to this guy. I don't know. So we just go to the corner and go down?
You want to?
That's where it's at.
Trying to scream at her.
Yeah. Come on.
I gotta do it. Hey, can you say hey to my vlog?
Hey, what's up, vlog?
And show me your dance.
2, 1.
Oh shit.
2.
Y'all good? Thank you. I'm trying to tell my people I'm going home now. Woo! Woo! Alright, guys. It is now about 2:15 in the morning, and we're just about to leave to go back to the crib. Had a good time. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Thanks for hanging out with us today.